what's going on, man? Y'all see the kid back with another video. Yes, sir. So we basically resuming where I left off from, and if I ain't mistaken, I think the primer was on there, and I was gonna go ahead and have the paint on there, but you know, y'all see these little spots because I was spraying the undercoat. I'm gonna have to drop a video on how I look beforehand. Right, matter of fact, yeah, I'm gonna just put the video out this for. It's gone. Y'all know how I get down. But yeah, man, that's how she looking now. This is just the, I want to say the, yeah, that thing look professional. Like, oh my gosh. This is the second coat, man. So for the new subscribers, I'm gonna kind of like chalk it up real quick, but this is what I'm building. You feel me? Z28 Camaro. It's a 1983. And if y'all ain't seen my last video, go check that out. But I had a lot of stuff in dirt. Like, this was looking real bad, man. And I just hit that thing with the primer, and I'm finna paint that. Y'all see I hit that with the RTV. You feel me? Just to redo it. So, you know what I'm saying? Make everything straight. Then I got another car that I'm doing with a project. I got a, this is a 72 D100. And I got a playlist on there. So if y'all want to check this out, you know what I'm saying? Y'all go look at that. Not really done with that. I was in the midst of cleaning out the gas tank and stuff, which is I still got to put back in the truck. Only thing what's really left for the truck is front brakes and a clutch, and I'm good to go. I'm gonna go put some insurance on it, and I'm good. You feel me? But yeah, that's it. That's just like a chalk up. This is my 4th gen Camaro. The channel, basically, I started off with this car. You know what I'm saying? But this car is not the reason that I actually built the channel. It was this car because I want to supercharge this. But I'm doing like minor work on this. I'm just gonna put a cam in it, raise up the compression, change out the rear end, and yeah, man, just, you know, fix little minor stuff, and that's it for that. So thanks for the new subscribers. You feel me? That was just like a quick chalk up on what the channel is about, man, and hopefully y'all enjoy the video. So y'all on me starting to paint this. Yes, sir. Turn this off. Man. Y'all, come in and tell me how I did. I think I did pretty good. To be using a spray can, bro. Yes, sir. My 5.5 gonna be sitting right there. Let's go. Let's go. I'm about to turn up on these boys. I ain't paint all this yet. Like this little spot, these spots and stuff right here. I ain't paint that yet. Just gonna hit that with a regular black. You know. But this is the under. Let's go, y'all. Bro, tell me how I did. And this actually rubberized. It said take 24 hours to cure. I went all the way down here because that's where like a lot of rust was. But yeah, man, that's how she looking. So now I'm probably gonna wait 24 hours for it to cure. You know, so tomorrow, maybe tomorrow, probably tomorrow or Tuesday, I'm gonna go on and put my oh, I got it in the back. I'm gonna go on and throw my K-member back under there, man. Throw the wheels on there, put the springs on there, bro. Start on my inside, you know, get to clean it up and sort everything out. I can eat food off this. That's just how clean I had got it. Yes. And I had sanded it down with 600 grit, if anybody wanted to know. I had sand down the primer. But yeah, man, that's how she looking. Y'all, one more little walk through, little run around, you feel me? I'm cutting this out. That's why I ain't really touched that. You feel me? Yeah, man. And that's gonna be it for today's video, man. If y'all liked it, leave a like, comment, tell me what y'all think, and subscribe if you haven't subscribed. You feel me? I'm out.